I'm not sure if you've ever heard of Kid President, but if you haven't, you should definitely look him up. He once said that heroes are just ordinary people who do extraordinary things. So for example, when you stand up for what's right, even if it's not the popular opinion, that's extraordinary. That makes you a hero in that moment. Which brings us to our Doomier DIY doll kit hero mask. It comes with this pattern inside your activity poster, and there's no sewing involved in this. So you literally just lay it onto the fabric and cut around it, and then you can tie it around your doll's head. And you'll see with this one, because I drew her eyes a little closer together, I put a few stitches in here to make it a bit smaller, and you can do that to size it to your doll. But in reality, all you gotta do is lay this onto the fabric, cut around it, and then tie it around your doll. And voila, she's a hero! So that's it for now. See you later. You can check out the rest of Doomier's DIY doll kit clothing tutorials here, or head to doomier.com for more inspiration.